Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Code. Some big news recently dropped. XRP, Solana, and Cardano have all been cleared for ETF exposure. That's a huge step forward for crypto adoption, but of course there's a catch. The rollout isn't happening just yet, there's a regulatory pause in place. So in this video, we're going to explain exactly what's going on, why it matters, and most importantly, which of these altcoins could explode the most once these ETFs actually go live. Let's talk about it. Before we jump into today's topic, we want to remind you that here at the Crypto Code, our goal is to provide you with the top news, research, and tips when it comes to finding projects with huge profit potential. Stay to the end of this video and learn how you can earn $10 in Bitcoin and a free weekly trade alert just for attending one of our free workshops to learn more about who we are and what we do. No purchase needed. Our trade alerts have a 93% win rate, so make sure you take advantage of this free alert. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So do your own research before you make any crypto trades. Okay, so here's what's really going on. A major crypto fund that holds XRP, SOL, and ADA was approved to become an ETF, which means Wall Street would have direct exposure to these altcoins. But right after that approval, regulators hit the brakes. Not because of any issue with the coins themselves, this is just a pause while the higher-ups do a full review. This isn't a rejection, it's more like, we're close, but not quite there yet. And once that final green light comes, we could see some serious market movement. So why does ETF exposure matter so much? The reason ETF exposure matters comes down to one word: access. When altcoins like XRP, Solana, and Cardano get into ETF structures, it becomes way easier for institutions to invest. No wallets, no private keys, no complicated setups, just a simple ticker they can buy through traditional platforms. And that's a game changer. Because up until now, most institutional capital has only touched Bitcoin and Ethereum, but now the door is opening for major money to flow into top-tier altcoins too. Now let's break down the big question. Which of these three is most likely to outperform once ETF trading kicks off? Starting with XRP, it's got name recognition, a loyal community, and a strong use case. It's also pretty close to its previous highs. That could mean less upside in the short term and more resistance on the way up. Solana, on the other hand, has serious momentum. The ecosystem is growing, developer activity is strong, and institutions are clearly paying attention. It still has room to recover from recent highs, which gives it a nice balance of upside and stability. Then there's Cardano, and this one's interesting. ADA hasn't moved much lately, but that also means it hasn't pumped yet. It's the furthest below its previous high out of the three, so it could have the most room to run if things heat up. Higher risk, yes, but also potentially higher reward. So what's the best risk-reward setup here? If we had to sum it up, it would be like this. XRP might react the quickest, but it could also hit a ceiling faster. Solana seems like the most well-rounded bet with strong demand, real growth, and a solid position technically. Cardano is the higher risk, higher reward option, more volatile, but potentially more explosive. Here at the Crypto Code, we're holding a mix of all three, but between the charts and the sentiment, we're watching Solana and Cardano the closest as this ETF news unfolds. Now we want to hear from you. Which altcoin are you stacking for this ETF boom? XRP, SOL, or ADA? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching the Crypto Code. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. You can also check out what we do here at the Crypto Code by registering for one of our free workshops where we show you how we and our students profit in crypto, no matter if the markets are up or down. If you register for the workshop, you also get access to a free weekly trade alert. Attend our free workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we will send you $10 in Bitcoin. No purchase needed. We have already given away hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin just this year alone. Just look for the link in the description of this video to register for the workshop. It will be worth your time. Our public trade record currently has a 93% win rate, and you can view it here. Best of luck with your investments, and remember to stay informed and stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.